My link has not came.
Wait, I'm telling. Good morning, Vanshika. Got it? Got it, everyone? Rest all. Rest all. Enter through that. Enter through this Google Forms. I have given the link to the chat section. So please enter. Good morning, Devya.
मैम
Yes.
मैम क्वेश्चन 1 के बाद ना मैम दो मैम अलग से कुछ लिखा हुआ है ऑप्शन 1 और ऑप्शन 1 करके।
अच्छा,
मैम वो क्या चीज है?
उसको छोड़ दो।
यस मैम। मैम मैं लेट ज्वाइन हुआ तो मैम
Link is in the chat section. You can check it.
मैम नहीं है मैम मैं लेट ज्वाइन हुआ तो इसलिए।
Got it now?
यस मैम।
Is it done? How many of you have completed till now?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Enter to the Google form. Panchika done. Let me check. Only 2 people have submitted. Who is this v@gmail.com? 18010. Who is that? Put your name and ID both together.
मैम
Yes,
मैम जब तक टेस्ट दे रहे हैं ऑडियो डिस्कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं
why we are going
मैम
where?
आवाज मैम जाना कहीं नहीं है मैम आवाज आ रही है ना करके डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है
Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
मैम लिंक तो भेजो।
मैम एकदम लास्ट में ना एक चीज लिखने का आ रहा है सबमिशन ट्रैकिंग
वो आप
आईडी
just
डू
put your
नॉट
ID.
चेंज
Just put your ID. Link I have sent already. How many times? Yes, Parsh, what happened?
मैम एक वाले में क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में अदर करके लिखने वाला है मैम, वो लिखना है क्या?
एक मिनट, what you are saying?
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में एक ऑप्शन है अदर, उसमें लिखने का भी है।
नहीं
तो
नहीं नहीं,
लिखना
वो
है क्या वो?
अदर में आप रीजन लिखना चाहो तो है, अदरवाइज इट इज नहीं है. नो नीड टू राइट. नो नीड टू राइट.
मैम
यस
मैम लास्ट में सबमिशन ट्रैकिंग आईडी मांग रहा है उसमें क्या डालना पड़ेगा
योर आईडी.
मैम पूरा एडमिशन नंबर की सिर्फ 3 डिजिट की आईडी डालना
डाल दो चलेगा.
यस मैम मिनट बेटा ओके
मैम हम लोग को नेम और आईडी में क्या डालना है?
नेम में अपना नाम लिखिए और अपना आईडी, आपको आईडी मिला है ना 18020 समथिंग वन आईडी यू गॉट ना।
मैम दोनों एक साथ लिखने का ऑप्शन है, उसमें दोनों एक साथ लिखे।
हाँ
ओके।
मैम जीमेल में खुद का जीमेल डालना है?
मेल आईडी यस। मैंने मेल आईडी का ऑप्शन कंपलसरी हटा दिया है ना वहाँ पे, तो आपको कंपलसरी नहीं है वहाँ पे। मेल आईडी शो कर रहा है क्या वहाँ पे?
यस मैम, ईमेल एड्रेस यू हैव टू फिल ऐसे लिख के आ रहा है।
यस मैम।
ओके देन यू हैव टू फिल, बिकॉज मैंने उसको सेटिंग तो हटा दिया था ईमेल एड्रेस। So 7 people have submitted. Neil?
मैम मेरा नेट स्लो चल रहा है, इसलिए मैं क्लास में स्लो एंटर हो पाया। प्लीज सेंड द लिंक। मैम लास्ट में ना कुछ सबमिशन ट्रैकिंग आईडी डू नॉट चेंज करके आ रहा है, क्या है ये?
That every time it will come, you have to just put your what any ID, your class ID you are getting now, one ID you are getting, that ID you fill.
स्टूडेंट आईडी?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, student ID.
fill that one.
मैम
Yeah.
स्टूडेंट नेम एंड आईडी में जैसे मेरा नाम और फिर मेरी 180 वाली आईडी ना पूरी।
हाँ वो आप लोग के पास एक है ना 8200079 है, किसी का 1802079 है,
यस मैम, यस मैम, यस
that one.
मैम वो तो पहले ही लिख दिए थे ना शुरू में। मैम
हाँ
लास्ट
तो ये
में कुछ है?
कंपलसरी वो मांगता है वो आईडी, क्योंकि हम लोग आपका मांग रहे हैं तो नीचे भी मांग रहा है, वो कंपलसरी आपको भरना पड़ता है। उसमें आप यही वाली आईडी लिखिएगा, नहीं तो लास्ट का 3 डिजिट लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा।
मैम बाकी सब में तो ऐसा नहीं होता है।
ID है।
यू जस्ट फिल इट बेटा, वो आपको
हमारे पास
भरना
दो
है।
ID है।
मैम आई गॉट 15 out of 15.
आई सॉ ओनली
एक और बार भेजो ना चैट में।
yes, I will just send share the result with you, wait, don't worry.
मैम अभी टाइम
I
ना
also got 15 out of 15.
चल रही है।
How many are there? Wait, let me check the responses. How many are there?
मैम
9 responses.
प्लीज रुक जाओ ना।
मैम एक बार और लिंक भेज दो ना।
Yes. daily you will be having 15, at least minimum 15 or less than 15 can be, or MCQs till your exam, since you're all having objectives now, so that's why. You have to practice the objectives nicely.
मैम 40 मार्क्स का होगा या 20 मार्क्स का?
That
I also got
40 marks will be divided between physics, chemistry and bio.
तीनों का अलग अलग होगा?
You will be having question of all the three, and subject means MCQs from all the physics, chemistry and bio you will get post half yearly portion.
यस मैम सब्जेक्टिव नहीं होगा ना?
No.
मैम आई हैव अ डाउट.
Yeah.
मैम उसमें फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट भी तो करेक्ट है ना?
Where? Wait. Which question? Don't tell this like this. Chat. Tell me through the chat privately.
Yes, ma'am, I'm telling to the chat.
Which one? Wait, let me check that.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How it is correct? Yashita, Rashi. Yashita, it is not correct. How it will be correct? Just check it. What it is written.
Ma'am, when switch is in off position, ma'am, before switch there is wire. Ma'am,
It
when
is-
the current will flow through the wire and stops at the switch.
It is written where circuit starting from the positive terminal of the cell stops at the switch. How would the circuit starting from the positive terminal of the cell stops at the switch? तो यहाँ पे आपका ये correct है क्या? What it is written here, first you understand that circuit starting from the positive terminal of the cell stops at the switch. ये क्या statement आपको सही लग रहा है?
No, मैम मेरे को लगा कि वो वायर में तो करंट फ्लो करेगा फिर स्विच पे आके रुक जाएगा. सॉरी मैम.
Done. Little bit discussion I have to do. Is it completed?
No, ma'am. 2 minutes, ma'am.
20 children are there. That means including me. Nine children here. 4 children are still left.
मैम मैम
Yes.
मैम मेरा 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 नेट स्लो चल रहा है ना मैम, इसलिए मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है।
How much time it will take? It's so going to be 9:25 with after 10 minutes class will end.
Ma'am, I have 5 questions are left. You can discuss the other questions.
Okay, do it. 5 more minutes I will give.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
मैम सबमिशन आईडी में क्या लिखना है? सबमिशन
अपना आईडी बस अपना आईडी लिखो।
18010 वाली।
हाँ
ओके
Ma'am, I have done. You can start checking.
checking is done beta already online checking is there.
Ma'am, you can start discussing.
Okay. हो गया 18 participants are there. Okay. Wait. So why the still not a basic? Only 16 are there responses. Wait, I will share the screen with you. Huh?
मैम I have also submitted.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also submitted.
You can see the score. Should I send you the mail?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, mail.
I have sent the mails. Okay. Okay. Now let's coming back to the questions. Yes. What happened? Okay. The first question was yeah. क्या हुआ? What happened? Okay. In first question, in making a battery, the first option is a positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. तो पहला ही ऑप्शन करेक्ट है क्योंकि जब भी हम बैटरी बनाते हैं तो एक का पॉजिटिव दूसरे के नेगेटिव से कनेक्टेड रहता है. Isn't that? The first statement is correct here. Next, where the key or the switch can be placed. Key और switch का कोई पर्टिकुलर जगह नहीं होता, आप सर्किट में कहीं भी उसको प्लेस कर सकते हो. So second means third option is correct. Okay. Next is which of the following is the equipment which is working on the heating effect of the electric current. तो गीजर भी heating effect पे काम करता है. Hair dryer में भी गर्म हवा निकलती है. That is means it is also working on the heating effect. Immersion rod, water heating rods are there na, which is used for heating water. That are also working on the heating effect of current. That means these all are the correct options, and that's why here it will be all of these. Next, The coil of wire containing in an electric heater is known as what? ये आपको मैंने करवाया था इसको. If you remember, it is component, element or spring. It is also called as element. Okay. The amount of heat produced in a wire depends on. It is also depending on the material thickness or length. So all these options are correct, and that's why here your answer will be all of these. Next, which mark is necessary for all electric appliances? ISI.
ISI.
Okay. Next, choose a statement which is not correct in case of electric fuse. Fuse के केस में कौन सा statement आपका सही नहीं है? That you have to see. Okay. So here, if a proper fuse. Third one, that is there is a minimum limit of current which can safely flow in the electric circuit. Okay. Next it is switch is enough. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे confusion हो रहा है कि circuit starting from the positive terminal of the cell stops at the switch. तो वो उसमें
Ma'am, second and third are right.
Second and third is correct. बेटा सर्किट स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से, सर्किट कहाँ से आके रुक रहा है? सर्किट थोड़ी आपका यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल के पास ही रुक रहा है. ऐसा आके कहीं बोला है क्या? नहीं बोला है. That means the statement is not correct. Okay, only the second and third, that the switch is circuit it is open and there is no current flowing through that. That is correct. Next, which of the following precaution need to be taken when using electric gadgets and appliances? It's very easy that we should never turn the switch in on position. Okay. Next, for different requirements, the wire of different materials, different length are used. Is it true or false? Yes, क्योंकि अगर मटेरियल का इलेक्ट्रिक
Ma'am, true.
हाँ, इलेक्ट्रिकल रिक्वायरमेंट ज्यादा होगा तो थिकनेस और लेंथ सब बढ़ेगा. That means it is true. A fuse is used to save energy in electrical circuit. No, it is used to prevent short circuit.
Short circuit.
Yes, that's why this statement will be false. 12th, NCB are the switches which automatically turn off when a circuit exceeds the safe limit. Yes, correct.
True.
True. When an electric current flows through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. Yes, that's why electromagnet is created. True. Our body is a conductor of electricity. Yes, because we get electrical shock. True. Combination of two or more cell is called a switch. False, because it is called as battery. Okay. So the concept is clear to you. So this way you will be having your MCQs. Okay. So अब मैंने आपको basic
Ma'am, daily.
क्या?
Ma'am, daily होंगे.
Daily, यार. Because MCQ pattern, quiz pattern you are having ना. So either Google form or I will be taking a Kahoot. I can also take. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So daily.
Ma'am, Kahoot.
हाँ, Kahoot से लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग enter नहीं कर पाते. That's why I'm taking Google form.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Google form के जरिए हो या Kahoot हो, we can see that. But there will be what? MCQs practice continuously daily until the day of your exam, so that you will be well versed in your what this particular topic. Now tell me, what is lodestones?
22.
Yeah.
What, ma'am?
What are lodestones?
What you said, lodestones?
Yes, ये word क्या है? That's why I'm asking you. People remember or not?
Ma'am, a stone which takes more load than others.
Ma'am, natural.
No.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
Naturally occurring magnets are called lodestone.
Yes. Naturally occurring magnets are called as lodestones, and this I told you in the case of thunder. Thunder act as an natural magnet. Remember, thunder during the rainy season when thunder is there, it is acting as a magnet. It is getting wherever it is falling, it is burning that particular place and all. I told, isn't that? Yeah, remember? So याद रखना इस बात को and see the
Yes, ma'am.
See the PPT which I have given to you and explained to you in the class. I have already uploaded that in that your portal. So check it from there. Okay? Is it clear? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So your class time is over. All are leaving.
Ma'am, 6 minutes.
Ma'am, 2 minutes are left.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
9:30.
two.
Time is over.
Okay. So today's
मैम टाइमर में
Yes,
लिखा
ma'am.
है रिमेनिंग मीटिंग टाइम 6 minutes
because
38
it is a
seconds.
Zoom setting
Ma'am,
meeting.
but time is over now.
Yes, Zoom
Ma'am,
setting.
Ma'am, how many people got 15 out of 15?
Who got 15 out of 15? Just let me show you. Wait, I will show you. Got it? This is first one. Who is this? Parshv. Then who is this? Kothari. किसका है ये? Kothari @
मैम वो दिव्या का है.
Then this Sarika Lunawat, जिसका email ID है. Then this much only. These 3 people got. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the next class, get ready with this. Okay. Again, the same chapter MCQ I will be taking. Okay. Understood? Is it clear
Yes,
to
ma'am.
everyone?
Bye.
Bye. So I'm ending my
Ma'am,
class.
different chapter.
Not different chapter. आपका half yearly PT2 portion क्या है? What is your PT2 portion?
I don't know, but
Ma'am, नहीं पता.
4 January
Post
से
half
है
yearly.
PT2.
This one. Effects of electric current for chemistry. हाफ ईयरली में जो नहीं आया वही बस आएगा आपको. हाफ ईयरली में क्या नहीं आया? बस यही एक चैप्टर बचा है केमिस्ट्री का. बाकी सारे चैप्टर हाफ ईयरली में कवर हो गए थे. So this is your post half yearly portion and this is your PT2 portion also. Is it clear? Understood?
मैम बाकी
Yes,
सबका
ma'am.
कब मिलेगा?
हाँ, आपको मिल
मैम
जाएगा.
बाकी सबका सिलेबस कब मिलेगा?
You will get soon. Don't worry about that. You will get soon. Okay? Is it clear?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.